Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy or Hot Items Online 3035 here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a really exciting topic that I've been eager to share with you all. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest content. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you so much for your support. Unboxing the future, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max from Shopee and Lazada. What's inside and how it performs. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max is the latest and greatest offering from the tech giant, and it's causing a stir in the smartphone market. With its stunning Super Retina XDR display, dynamic island, and 48MP main camera, it promises to take your iPhone experience to a whole new level. But what's it like? To unbox this game-changing device from two of the leading e-commerce platforms, Shopee and Lazada, we asked real buyers and customers to share their unboxing experiences and give us their thoughts on this impressive new phone. Here's what they had to say. First off, the packaging of the iPhone 14 Pro Max from both Shopee and Lazada was sleek and impressive, as you'd expect from Apple. The product box contained the phone itself and a USB-C to Lightning cable. One of the standout features of the phone, the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display featuring always-on and promotion, was the first thing customers noticed as they unboxed the phone. The display was bright, clear, and responsive, making it a joy to use. Customers were also wowed by the dynamic island feature, which allows for a new, magical way to interact with the phone. The feature creates an immersive and responsive user interface that adapts to the apps and tasks you use most. This feature added a new level of fun to the unboxing experience.